Buenas noches, mi nombre es Mónica Fernanda Mesa Ordóñez. The education system from school to university. Difference. The subjects at school are general and diverse. The hopes are with less material. There are many opportunities for qualification. At the university, the subjects are based on something specific. The work Tibet done is with more material. Depending on the university direct, the grades are really general. Similarities. The same education lot sense the work must be done in the best way. Work want qualified activities attendance. The study plans. This chan at light sent at school the teacher is attentive and if reminded the student what they should do what they are told at the university but they are not always remit them more autonomy at the university that at school. The work at the university are more extensive and analytical, while at school they are at light less complicated. Expectation. At school he prepares to receive a bachelor degree and they continued studying a professional career. At university, you aspire to be a professional. You have a university degree to be up to head at staff have with benefits and thus be able to continue advancing professionally. Thank you.